Hey guys, this is Code with Shark. Today we're going to be making this Easter game with dinosaurs. First, let's create a new project and delete Sprite 1. And I'm going to choose a sprite, Dinosaur 2. I'm getting Dinosaur 1 also. Just first find 3 dinosaurs you like, because that's about how many that can fit. I got my 3 dinosaurs, and now let's find the code Dinosaur 1. When green flag is clicked, go to this position because I like this position. And when this sprite clicked, we need a sound, so door closing. Start sound, door closing. Repeat 5. Turn 2 degrees. And then here put repeat 3. Repeat 10, turn left 2 degrees, and then turn right 2 degrees. So now now over here we also want to do point in direction 90, and now and then at the end, we want it to point in 90 degrees. So if you click it, it shifts back to 90 degrees. And now we need to set egg. We need this variable for this sprite only, because if you get eggs from all of them, then that would be a little bit boring. So it'll depend on your luck if we do this. And if you assign them to have an egg, then it'll just be the same the whole time. So if we just do egg, we can do pick random 0 to 1. And then we can do if egg equal one, start sound, new sound. I'll call it squawk. And start sound squawk. And then we can just do if else, new sound, called ta-da. And now we want to set change eggs to 1, so we need a new variable called eggs. Change eggs by 1, and over here set eggs to 0. Now if we see, we didn't get an egg in. Didn't get an egg. We finally got an egg. And now we need to find a backdrop. We're going to choose a backdrop. I'm going to use the Jurassic. And now you can select over here, select one of the leaves and hold down Shift and click on each leaves, and you then do Command X or Control X, depends on what you're using, and then paint, and then you paste it in. And now you just drag to the center, and you can do the same with the other plant. The other plant might be a little bit more tricky. Okay, now over here we can drag the same thing, drag all of the scripts into the other sprites. So you just drag and drop them on a sprite, and then it will work. And keep doing that until all of them have the same code. And now we need to add now we need to do all the same things with the sound. Okay. And now we need to go to each dinosaur and have a good position for it. For dinosaur 2, I'm gonna position it as 49 and -8, and set size to 50. 70. Because it'll be over here, kinda, so it'll make it look like it's a little bit back. And for dinosaur 4, that's its name, we want it to go to 153x and -27 for dinosaur 4. That's the Y position. And now for the plantations, the first small plant will be -189 and Y20, and the big plantation is gonna be -189 and the Y's be 20. And now there's a small mistake. For the big plant, the X should be 191 and Y -127, and then we see it can work. We got it, and now let's see this dinosaur. We didn't get one, and we try again. Still didn't get one. I'm gonna try the T-Rex. And it got one. So it's completely random. And for the dinosaur 1, we can make it go to front layer because its tail's a little cut off, as you see. And now we restart it. If we go to front layer, then boom. And now finally, before it is done, we're going to do forever. And I'm going to choose a sound, and I'm going to do classical piano. And then in our backdrop, we clicked forever, play sound, classical piano until done, and now. As you see, it works now, and this is the end of today's video.